and counterclockwise chasing the sun, 4 and 3. Now under the leg, 2, and then on this last one, come up, come into the buzzsaw, back to where we were in the beginning, bring it back behind you, kick, release, and chase the sun again, 4, 3, right under the right leg, and then come up, wrap it up, come into buzzsaw, and we'll repeat, come back behind, kick, come to the front, release, go into the giant, and swivel, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now go into the chasing sun again, 4, 3, under the leg, and now come up, wrap it up, but this time we're not going to go behind the back. I want you to plane shift it down onto your right arm, so you're looking down at a counterclockwise buzzsaw. Turn to the left, and come into your corkscrew, and then separate it, back together, separate it, back together, separate it, back together, separate it. Now turn to the left with it separated, and come back to your front and bring it together. And separate it, turn to your left, and come back to your front together. And one more time, separate it, come to your front, bring it back together, release into full length corkscrew. Now make it together time, and bring it down and tap on the left, up and over and down and tap on the right. Up and over, down and tap on the left, up and over and down and tap on the right. Now we're going to come up, over, turn, down and tap. Up and over, turn to the right, down and tap. Up and over, turn to the left, down and tap. Up and over, turn, down and tap to the right. Now we're going to add that little jump. Turn, tap and jump. Return and jump and turn and jump and tap. And last time, now come up into counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up into the pinwheel, and come into the giant swivel in counterclockwise. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come into overhand weave on the left, to underhand weave on the right, to overhand weave on the left, to underhand weave on the right. Now from underhand weave, extension left, extension right, to overhand weave. Come across the bottom, big extension left, then right, to overhand. Come across, big extension left, then right, to overhand. And one more time, big extension left, then right, to overhand weave, and open it up, and stall right, stall left, 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 stall right, stall left. One more right, one more left, one more right, one more left, back into overhand weave. And then open it up, sweep back, underhand weave on the right, and open it up, wrap it up into short poi, and tap your right one on your back. Now you should be in opposite, bring it into opposite direction buzzsaw, where the right's overhand, left is underhand. And we're gonna do a tap, buzzsaw, tap, buzzsaw, tap, buzzsaw, tap, buzzsaw. Now I want you to take your left one over the top, bring your right one across the bottom, then over the top, left one across the bottom, over the top, right across the bottom, over the top, left across the bottom, over the top. Stall your right poi, turn to the left into overhand buzzsaw on the left side. Extension with the right, bring it out, and then come back in. Extension with the right, bring it out and come back in. Extension with the right, bring it out and come back in. And one more time. Now we'll do with the left poi. Bring it out, come back in. Bring it out and come back in. Bring it out and come back in. And bring it out and come back in. And you're back into your buzzsaw here. Release to full length. Same time, come up into the pinwheel. And then make it big. 3 and 2 and 1. And now we're going to turn to the right 360. Come back around into your pinwheel. 3 and 2 and 1. Turn to the right again. Come all the way around, and 3 times big, 2 more times, 1 more time. And on the 4th time, we're going to do the turn. And then last set, 3 extensions, 1 and 2 and 3. Now on the 4th one, go all the way around in the turnaround and back up into the pinwheel. Bring it down into overhand on the left, turn right to underhand, turn left to overhand, turn right to underhand, come up to the pinwheel, bring it down into the weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left, extension right, extension left. Last set, right side, left side, turning right to underhand weave. We're going to do the extensions, left and then right, and then left and then right, and then left and then right, and then left and then right. Back to underhand weave and open it up and sweep over the top and then overhand cap, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, 360 turn to the right, and 4, 3, 2, 1, 360 turn to the left. And now we'll do 2 caps, 1 and 2, right turn, and 2 caps, 1 and 2, left turn. And let's try singles, 1 cap, 1 turn right, 1 cap, 1 turn left, 1 cap, 1 turn right, and 1 cap, 1 turn left into overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, and woo!